In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the Pentagonal Pyramid. So here it is from looking at it from the top. Here is the bottom. It's a pentagonal pyramid. The base is a pentagon, and all the sides are triangles. This is one of the elective nets that you have. If you want to use this one in your streakahedron shape or structure, you're going to need to take this net and transfer it to a piece of paper. Instructions on how to do that are in your online instruction manual. So to build a pentagonal pyramid, you'll need your net, your scissors, your tape, a pen, and a ruler. The first step is to cut the pattern out, cut the net out on all of the solid lines. So let's start. Again, on the outer corners, it's okay if you overpass the line, but on the inside corners, you just want to cut straight to the corner. If you cut too far, you could end up with a small hole in your final shape. And if you don't cut far enough, especially on these pyramids, you might have a hard time folding it and putting it together. So once you've gone all the way around, this is what it looks like completely cut out. The next step is to score your pattern. So again, scoring, you're going to put your ruler on the dotted line, take your pen, and do a couple passes back and forth to put a nice groove in the piece of paper. And if you notice with this one, the lines actually go from the pentagon base straight through to the triangle. And this is one long straight line here. So you don't have to worry about doing one face and then the other. You can go straight through. When you're done, it'll look like this. Now let's begin assembling our form. So you go from the two-dimensional shape to the three-dimensional object. This, you'll need your tape. First thing we'll do is we're going to fold and crease on all of our score lines. For these pyramids, it's useful to first fold the entire side up and then do the tab. So do the entire triangular side, then the tab. Little triangular side, then the tab. Now we're ready to start taping. So we are going to put all these tabs on the outside. So if you see, it's on the outside of this pyramid. So bring two faces up. Put this tab over the top of it. You have to watch here that the points are pretty well lined up. And we're just going to start taping it at the bottom. And if the tape extends past the base, just fold it over. And we'll do that all the way around. All we're doing right now is just aligning the base of the faces with the bottom, with the base of the structure itself. Let's work our way all the way around. And this last one, make sure that when you're closing up the pyramid, make sure this last tab falls on the outside. Okay, so now we have, it's almost done. These pyramids come together quite nicely. So what we've done is we've taped the sides together near the base. Now we just have to continue up to the apex here. So to do that, let's continue working up the side of the pyramid. And again, if the tape is a little long and is a little bit too big, just fold it over. You see, I'm not going all the way up to the apex yet. I'm not totally at the point yet. So I've gone all the way around, almost to the apex. Now what I need to do is take a piece of tape. I'll put it on one face like this, wrap it around, wrap it around. We'll just have to do that twice, so we can get all the way around the entire pyramid. And you have now built your pentagonal pyramid.